Hello friends, today let's see the unboxing of Avitha Pura laptop and its specifications. We bought this laptop in Flipkart in Diwali sale for 29,000 and now the price is around 33,000. The reason for choosing this laptop is just because of its high configuration. It has an 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD, 14-inch full LED display, Ryzen 5 processor, Radeon Vega 8 graphics. Any other branded laptop with this configuration is around 40 to 45,000. Company gives a 1.5 year warranty. If we register, the warranty will extend up to 2 years. Let's see what all they have provided in this. We can see the laptop bag. They have given a laptop bag. It's an add-on and the quality is quite good. In this box they have provided the power adapter and the power card. Charger quality is not bad. Here is the laptop box and it is looking so good with its logo. We have opted for a blue color. There are many colors available and the build quality is okay and it's made of plastic, and all the laptops comes with a matte finish and it's very slim. Here is a quick start guide. The laptop is enclosed in a safety cover and it weighs about 1.34 kgs. On the top we can see the brand logo Avitha. We can see the speakers are at the bottom and the volume is quite low. We can use the external speakers. We can see the HDMI port, USB port, Type-C port and the charger point. At the back we can see the audio jack, USB port and a memory card reader. A protective sheet is provided on the keyboard. The laptop comes with a pre-installed Windows 10 operating system and there is no lag in the system and the performance is quite smooth, and the multitasking is good, and it has integrated graphics. The mouse pad is good and the display quality is excellent. You can see the full HD panel. Before opting for this laptop, I have gone through a lot of reviews on YouTube. There are some issues regarding the noise, heating and the build quality. As far as the noise is concerned, it is okay, bearable, and there is no heating issue for me, and the build quality is neither too good nor too bad. People who need a budget friendly laptop with high configuration can opt for this. Hope this information will be useful for you. Thanks for your time.